social friend. It's Keita Billions. And in this video, we are going to
be cleaning.
A little organizing because you know we still getting our lives together. Keep watching the vlog. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Okay? Keita Billions. Azai, can you get out the trash? She's trying to sweep it up.
No.
She's trying to sweep it up. We just got this from our wish list from Miss Tessa. She went ahead and got the spoon, that gold spoon set, and I was really amazed by the packaging. Thank you, Miss Tessa. We truly, truly appreciate you, okay? So I think the issue that I'm having is, I'm gonna be honest. I had to like really work hard to get the roaches out of this apartment because the people that was before me, they didn't do too well at keeping the place up and cleaning. And so it was a lot of back and forth of me cleaning, like this cabinet, for example. Listen, first of all, every time I saw a roach, I had to take the stuff out, like this cabinet. If I saw a roach here, I would take everything out, wipe it down again, and put it back. So things has just been up and down, up and down, up and down.
Mommy.
Yes.
Is the onion done?
It's almost done. The kids screaming at me to feed them. Yes.
I want pasta.
Okay, give me a minute. Shout out to is it Dane Deeds? Shout out to Dane Deeds. She say, I wish I could come to your place and just organize everything for you and your kids. I would love that. Okay.
Mommy,
and then okay, hold on. And then she say, I am COD organizing and cleaning. I'm a COD organizing, cleaning and cleaning freak. Organization is like the key to clarity. Okay, it's the key to clarity. So I get it. I get it. That's my thing. That's what I do best. And looking at your apartment, I would love to just dive into that for you. FYI, I'm a new follower. Thank you for following. I appreciate it. Making me blush. Hey, this right here really had me cheesing. Like, wow. Okay, I'm a new follower of yours, and I absolutely love your drive, your positive outlook on life, and your hustle. And I love how you love your kids. And by the way, I'm here in Florida as well, Jacksonville. Shout out Jacksonville. Keep doing you, and for God's sake, don't ever let anyone change you. That's the toughest thing to do. I must say that. I'm still not done with this pasta. Let me get to that. This was on our housewarming wish list, and I decided to, you know, give that to my daughter because she's a big girl and she have a lot of things. If you ever need you a good dresser, I'ma tag it below this video. Tap more so you can see it, or it might just be below this video. But if you ever need you a nice dresser, these come in handy. Or I'm gonna give you another tip. This is what I do. What I do is I would go to places like Rent-A-Center, and I would ask them, I would say, hey, is there anything that you guys have in the back that you no longer want to get rid of? Anything that you need to get rid of? Not really anything. Like if it's a dresser, I would say, hey, by any chance would you guys have any dressers that you want to get rid of? And they would be like, they would go in the back, check, and then come to me and be like, yeah. I think the last one I got was like, it was a really, really nice, strong, sturdy dresser. It was like $200 for the dresser, and it was a nightstand. Very sturdy, in good tack. Didn't really have any issues with it. Because of my situation, I had to like get rid of it. It just wouldn't fit because it was really big, you know. But definitely, if you're moving and you know you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you still want nice things, definitely do that, or just invest in a couple of these. When you have sick babies, boil you some onion broth, make them a soup, make them some noodles.
Noodles, I like noodles.
You can use this for any kind of meal that you cook, you know, instead of just using water, because water really don't have no benefits. Back up, because I don't want this to splash on you, okay? onion broth is just full of benefits. Look at how purple this water is. You get you the purple onions or the red onions, however you resonate with the onions. You get that color onion and you just boil it on low. And sometimes I boil a lot of it and I just store it in the freezer. So when I'm ready to cook my meals, it's already there. I have curtains for the blinds, but the window is too tall. So I'm just gonna fold them up nice and neat and put it in one of the organizing bins and just put it to the side. So like right here, put them all in here. I had turquoise, and you know I'm always try to get the closest color to gold as I can. So I was doing turquoise and gold.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, hot faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone.
It's time to go to bed. Your Stanley gonna be right there waiting on you tomorrow.
Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you, better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you.
Look, it's two of them, two of the bell peppers. They're turning, well, they already turned red. Yesterday they was green and red, and now today they are fully red. I wonder if that means it's time to take them off the tree. I got my little housewarming gift right here, so when I start sprouting my seeds I can put them in here, and then I have the big one for like when it get big, and that's the cabbage right there.
Oh, that's what that is.
Yeah, I gotta give it some more love. I watered it yesterday, but I'm doing good because it's turning red and they nice and shiny too. I can't wait to eat it. My bell pepper salad, my stuffed bell peppers. Ooh. It seems like nothing is getting together. I'm not motivated. I feel like giving up. But look, so this is the last bit of things that I'm bringing in from the storage, right? It's a hot mess. Don't judge me, okay? I'm getting it together. And then I still have these that I started organizing. I started organizing these the other night. I'm gonna put my shoes in here. I just had this vision of all of my shoes just being in here. And what is this? What is this? You see what I'm saying? What is that? I'm working super duper hard to keep the roaches out, to get rid of every last single one. Every time I put a trap down, when it gets empty, then I know that all the roaches is gone. I can calm down from taking things out, wiping it down, and putting it back. Whatever I have to use, I'm gonna just clean it, because I'm really overworking myself, and that's what's really making me want to give up. But we gonna get it together. We gonna get it together. We gonna get it together. We gonna get it together, and it's coming soon. Make sure you like the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. It's lit over here, okay? We learn over here. We grow over here. We get to the bag over here. You know what I'm saying? So subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up the video. It really helps YouTube algorithm to push my video out in front of other people. I had the fruits. I had these in the refrigerator. Like, I put them all in the refrigerator when I bombed out the place, and then I just took them out because they really don't belong in the refrigerator. I need to hurry up and juice these before they go bad. That's why I have them sitting here. So I'm gonna get this place cleaned up and then find the strength to juice this juice.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover.
The pulp is gonna come out here. The juice is gonna come out.
Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu.
Ambition, yeah. You spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby.
Whip, body, crib, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No.
Okay, so these two bald head kids, they want to be up. So we got a little bit left, but we gonna test it. But this don't really. Oh, you're not bald headed?
I have more hair than her.
Oh,
Yeah.
you got more hair than me. Don't even worry about it. Let's just taste test. We gonna use some paper cups because I just washed these dishes.
So she didn't want to clean no more.
But this ain't nothing but pure apple. Well, it have a little bit of
You
everything
made
in
apple
there.
juice?
It made a little bit of everything.
Does
You
that
made
see-
apple. Yeah.
Ooh, ooh.
You made apple juice? I like
Does that
apple
look like
juice.
apple juice to you?
It looked like apple juice to
It's
me.
got apples in here. Don't you worry about it.
Apples are nice.
She put green apples in there. That's why it's green. And cucumbers.
Okay, let's try to make it even.
It's the cucumbers.
But Mama Bear gotta get the most. Cheers to our new home.
Don't stop.
Ready? Let's go.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
This is good.
Mm. It's so refreshing. It's like my inside was just screaming for some cucumbers. And she didn't even know that I put ginger up in there.
Wait, I don't even taste the ginger.
We just got a surprise housewarming gift. It's actually for my little one. So we're going to get his reaction. We know what it is. He don't know what it is. He's going to be too excited. Oh my God. Adonis.
Adonis. Ready? Let me see it. Can you open it?
Aww.
What's this bluey one?
I know.
We don't have the name.
Yeah, we don't know who sent it to us, but you know who you are. So thank you so much. Shout out to whoever purchased this sheet set for us. Truly appreciate it. I'm gonna give it a nice wash. Put it up in the washing machine so we can get it nice and fluff. Fluff it up a little bit. Because according to Liz Lifestyle, aka Lifestyle Liz, you got to clean your sheets before you put them on your bed.
You better clean them. You better.
You got to wash them things before you put it on your bed.